We're continuing to work in section 16. We're going to be doing some solving exponential equations. So another refresher on the properties of logarithms. If you're adding the logs, you can rewrite it as a product. Subtracting, you can rewrite it as a division. If we've got a number outside, we can raise it up to a power. And then our change of base rule, we can take the log of the value over the log of the base to solve that in your calculator. Here's another set of those common properties of logs that we're going to see. So remember, the common logarithm is log base 10. And so we're just supposed to remember that a logarithm is an exponent. Now, sometimes if our variable is in the exponent, to undo that, we're going to have to take the logarithm of both sides. So for example, here, 4 to the x is equal to 19. So to undo that, we're going to take log of both sides. So log 4 to the x is equal to log of 19. Now we can use that rule, 4 to the x power, we can bring that x to the outside. So x is, so we get x log 4 is equal to log 19. Divide by log 4, use your calculator, you can find out what that is. So this example here, again, our variable is in the exponent, so we want to take the log of both sides. So then we can pull out that 2x plus 1, divide by log 3, subtract the 1, and then divide by 2 or multiply by 1/2 is typically the better thing to do since there's so much other stuff going on there. And then you can use your calculator to solve it. So let's work through these. So we want to take the log of both sides. So log of 4 to the 3x is equal to log of 12. We can bring that 3x to the outside. Divide log 12 divided by log 4. And so then x would be log 12 over log 4. I'm going to say times 1/3. We're dividing by 3. Here you can use your calculator. So log 12 divided by log 4 divided by log 4. And then once you get that, you can divide it by 3 to get your answer of about 0.5975. So same idea over here. We want to take the log of both sides. You can bring that 4x minus 2 outside. Divide. Add the 2. And then we can divide by 4. Now it's important to recognize we're dividing this quantity times 4. Oops. So that's why you rewrite it as multiplying by 1/4, because you do want to make sure you take it as a quantity, that log 120 over log 5 plus 2, that whole thing, that's what's being divided by 4. So you can plug that into your calculator, you end up getting about 1.2437. All right, same idea. So I'm going to rewrite, I'm going to skip writing out that first step. You want to take the log of both sides. So we're going to be able to bring that exponent to the outside then. So we'll have 3x minus 1 times log 7 is equal to log 21. Divide log 21 over log 7. Add the 1. And then divide by 3. Or, again, we're taking the quantity log 21 over log 7 plus 1. That's what we're multiplying by 1/3. Plug that into your calculator. You get about 0.8549. Okay, again, we're going to take the log of both sides. I'm going to skip writing that step. We're going to just go ahead and bring that exponent outside right away. And then we're going to divide. And now we're going to divide by 2, or take this quantity and multiply times 1/2. Plug into your calculator, 1.4153. All right, last one here. Same process. Take a log of both sides. Now we can bring that power outside. And then we're going to divide. We're going to add the 1. And then we're going to divide by 4, or take this quantity. Oh boy. Yeah, 4. Ooh, my handwriting is getting worse as we go. Take this quantity times 1/4. And then we get in a value that's about 1.118.